Three-pointer on the way. Pangalawa na yan para dito sa Rain and Shine. This time it's Mocon with the delivery.
Gotta love JB Mocon's game, di ba? Give you points, give you a lot of rebounds. Para sa akin, I can easily put up 15-20 points.
Perkins muscles his way through. That's a 6-0 run now para dito sa Phoenix.
Yun ang pinag-uusapan natin eh. That's all they need to do eh. Yung mabalik nila yung kanilang flow, and Jason Perkins is looking good at this juncture. They're only down by 2, Magu.
They go to Belga. Three-pointer on the way. That's good para kay Big Bo.
That is huge. Tinuldo ka ng first quarter nitong si Bo Belga. Nice 9-point advantage para sa Raiders.
Big Bo with a big three. Matthew bullet past the Demuses. Nice recognition on the part of Matthew.
Yun, everybody's watching Matthew. What are you gonna do, Matthew? Anong gagawin mo? So lahat nakabantay doon. So moving without the ball, kanya mga kasama. The Demuses dun sa may ilalim.
Mocon takes it away. Not counter steal siya. Ni Banquero dyan.
Apat na atas, tatlo.
Banquero's in the mood, ha? Banquero's slithery. And he finds his shooter at the corner. RJ with the delivery. You see the pep in the step of Banquero. He is in the mood, Johnny.
Sa play na yun, isang steal, isang assist kagad. Lista. Para dito kay Chris Banquero.
Yung kilos lang eh.
Titingnan natin, I'm still looking for that old Phoenix Fuel Master flow on offense. And Jason Perkins, a nice defensive rebound on one side, a bucket on the other para sa kanya. Pabasa dos itong kalamangan ng Raiders.
Tama na pala ng una. They need a basket here to keep themselves within striking distance. That's a big three. Melesio with a big hit, keeping Phoenix within 12.
4-possession ball game. Can you say one big stop para dito sa Phoenix Fuel Masters? Madalasang sinisiguro na.
Grabe yung pasensya ng Rain and Shine looking for the opening.
JB Moffman. JB Moffman, my goodness.
Kumapit yun. Dire-diretso ang gandas eh, di ba? Hanggang langit yung tira niya eh.
At hindi siya yung malaki dyan sa yung mga nasa loob na yan. Ang lalaki dyan, Larry Muyang, Perkins. He gets the offensive board and that putback. At yun na nga.
Bila naman sinambatak na sprain without scoring a single point back in the first half. Big triple delivered by Jake Pascual. It's just a 7-point game.
Matthew Wright, hindi ko makashoot eh. Sabi ni Jake Pascual, ako na lang titira ang corner three-pointer. A huge one coming from Jake Pascual para sa Phoenix.
Perkins now gets into the corner. Garcia! Bang! Oh! Phoenix has climbed their way back from a 17-point hole. Tabla na tayo.
Beautiful. Actually, nung pisa ni Jake Pascual, his big three-pointer from the same spot. Short jump shot coming from Jason Perkins earlier. This big three-pointer coming from R.R. Garcia for the Phoenix Fuel Masters.
Matthew puts it on the deck. Matthew spins. That's good! Matthew Wright with his first basket of the game.
Wow. Look at the demeanor of the pitbull coach, Topex Robinson, telling everybody to just calm down. We're up by 2.6 remaining. You're going against Rain or Shine, who's playing very well.